Hey friends, GATORMOM here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm sharing a brand new print from Wallace. This is Horizon Ombre on the small Parker. This print right here was a much anticipated print for Wallace fans. We've been really excited for this one to launch, and it's so pretty. It's absolutely perfect for summer, and I really love it on this small Parker. I think it looks good really on all of the bags that I've seen it shared on. I'm trying to think of one that I didn't really care for, but it looks really well on the medium Metro Tote Deluxe. It looks awesome on the mini Metro, and it looks so good on this small Parker. It's even a really good print on the Metro pouch. I think they did a really good job at kind of the color placement of it. And like I said, I think it's just really fun for summer. Blue jeans, white shirt, like bright colors. I think it will really go with a lot. So like I mentioned, this here is the small Parker. This is the first time I'm actually ever seeing the Parker in person. I was really curious about it for a long time, but wasn't sure what color or print I wanted to try in it. So when this one was launched in it, I knew this was the one that I wanted to get. So the Parker is a shoulder or crossbody bag. The strap is sewn in here so you can't detach it or anything like that. It is really comfortable. It is made out of that Metro material that everybody loves from Wallace. Even the strap is made out of it, so it makes it super comfortable to wear crossbody. Has a little bit of a leather trim here at the top. This kind of falls right on my shoulder, so I think it makes it even more comfortable. Now the strap length, I know that is a hot topic, and I've already gotten messages about that specific question when I kind of teased this over on Instagram. I am 5 foot nothing. I think I say that all the time here, but I'm really short, maybe 5'1", 5'2" on a good day. I don't know exactly, but I'm super short, and I love this bag, but I'm short. Like with it, as long as the strap will go, as you can see here, it fits right at my hip. I'll try to either insert a picture here. If I don't have one, I will post over on Instagram, because I know you guys are probably gonna wanna see it on the body for sure. But it is definitely a shorter strap. If you are taller, it's gonna hit you higher, definitely. I mean, if I were to tighten this all of the way, I think it would be a comfortable shoulder bag. I don't think it's bad as a shoulder bag. I know it's probably designed as more of a crossbody, but it's definitely short for sure. Like I said, I have it on the longest strap, and this is how I wear it crossbody. So just something to note. I do like the design of it though, how it's like this Metro material, and then it has this like webbed, almost seatbelt strap down here. I love that. I think it's really cool. So definitely a comfortable one to carry. On the front of the bag here, the only thing that you have, there's no pockets or anything, but you do have the Wallace plaque there. And then I'll just kind of turn it around before I unpack it. You don't have anything on the sides, and then nothing on the back. So just again, that print does go the entire kind of way around there, just so you can see it. So let's go ahead and unpack it. Looking down at the top of the bag here, you do have one zipper pull that goes the entire way across, and there's a little bit of a tail here with a leather trim. When you open it up, you do have a pretty good amount of space in here for being a small crossbody bag. There's not a whole heck of a lot of organization, if you will, because the bag is so small, but you do still have the traditional Wallace pockets here. You have the zip pocket back here and the 2 pockets inside there. So it's set up exactly the same as you're used to with Wallace bags. I have my phone just thrown here on top. This is an iPhone 11 Pro, but I usually have it in my hand, or I have it in my back pocket. I carried this morning to basketball. Both of my boys play basketball, so this is the bag that I use, which is why there's an apple in here. Yeah, I didn't know this was tucked down in here. I think somebody put this in my bag for me to hold. Don't you love that? Like those moms, or you moms out there, can probably identify with this. I always have something random, and I know this is a total sidebar to this video, but I typically will not repack my bags for a packing video if I literally just packed them, like say 24 or 48 hours earlier. Like I'll glance inside maybe, but I don't really unpack them or repack them. So it's always fun when I find random things like an apple in my bag. So anywho, okay. So inside the bag here, besides my phone just lying there on top, I have my hand cream tucked over here on the side. This is one I've really been loving. It's like a vanilla honey hand cream. And then I also have my small little Lily Jade coin purse. This is in their old English leather. It's super nice. It has a little clip here and a tassel. And I just have my earbuds in here. They fit great, and I have the charging cable in there as well. Then I also have tucked down in there my new wallet from Rothy's. This is a great one, you guys. This is a really nice wallet. You guys know I'm back and forth with all my wallets, but it's just kind of a standard zip around wallet. Make sure I don't have anything peeking out there. But that's kind of what it looks like. So I love it. It's very slim, fits down in there. The only other thing that I have inside this bag is the pouch that comes with it. I typically don't use these a whole heck of a lot, but I really liked the size of this one, and I think it fits in there great. I love the lining color of this bag. I think it's really pretty. It's like a light blue color, I guess you could say, but there's a leash right here that I have this pouch attached to. And inside here I have tissues, travel scissors, tons of lip products. It's just all my small little like cosmetic type things. So I just have those tucked down in here as well. This will give you another really good look on the color. It's really, really pretty. Back here in the zipper pocket of the bag, I just have a couple of snacks, a wrapper from a little fruit strip I had, some gum. I also have my face mask. We were outside at the basketball game, so I didn't really need it. And then I just have a granola bar if I wanted one. But inside here, you do still have the traditional 2 pockets that you're used to with some of those interior pockets on MZ Wallace bags. I didn't have anything in those. Turning the bag around here, you have 2 pockets here that are trimmed in the leather. And this one here, I just have my Touchland hand sanitizer, which is a great like grab pocket for that. And then over here, I just have my sunglasses made by Limea. I'll link them below for those of you that want to see. But that's a great little pocket for those as well. So there you have it. That is everything I have packed inside. Now that it's empty, I'm gonna kind of put it up here closer so you could really see the lining color, because I think it's so pretty. It's almost like, I don't know if you're able to get a really good picture of it here. It's definitely darker than the outside of the bag, but it's almost like a teal color. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. So highly recommend this small Parker. I think it's a great little bag, and it looks absolutely adorable in this print for sure. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I will see you guys on my next video. I hope you have a great day.